Hey amigos, this is Gustavo, the coffee guy from the farmer's market. In 1714, the mayor of Amsterdam gave King Louis XIV of France a young coffee plant, which was planted at the Royal Botanical Gardens in Paris. How did this influence the arrival of coffee to the Americas? After coming back from Martinique and trying to convince the French nobility to develop a large plantation in the Caribbean, Gabriel de Clieu came up with a brilliant idea. He seduced an ill noblewoman who had access to the botanical garden and convinced the botanist to give him a seedling. De Clieu then boarded a ship and headed back to the Caribbean. A Dutch spy tried to destroy the plant. The ship was almost wrecked by a hurricane, and the clerk had to share his ration of water with the ailing plant. But he made it, and the complicated voyage paid off. Within 50 years, the single coffee tree brought by de Clieu became nearly 18,000 plants, and today is considered to be the granddaddy of most of the coffee cultivated in North and Central America. How did coffee come to Chiapas? Find out in our next video. Thanks for watching and thrive!